Hey peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I have an unbagging for you from the lovely folks over at Fansells. So huge thank you to them for continuing to work with me. Please do go and check out their site. There is a little bit of something for everyone over there. So I'm going to rummage in here and see what comes out first. Okay, we're starting with a diamond painting. This one has got a little bit dinked up in the packaging, but they're normally quite salvageable, particularly because these are poured glue. So let's see if we can get these creases out. It's rather more crease than I would have liked, but you can use an iron on the back, and the main thing to remember is that none of these creases will affect the adhesive. So this is a little stack of books. Just move you out a tiny bit. There we go. I am an avid reader. You can check out my book reviews on this channel. And I've been looking for a diamond painting that represents my love of books for a long time. Whether this is going to entirely, scratch that itch, I don't know, but it's worth a try. It's a very pastel image, as you can tell. You can see that the image here is really clear in terms of the symbols. We've got alphanumeric symbols and rather lovely. 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3, 4 is 4, 5 is 5, 6 is 6, 7 is 7, 8 is 8, and then 9 is A, and then we've got A, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, N, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X. So, standard boat wax and pen for this one. And I'm already slightly disappointed that we do have those teeny tiny bags of drills that everybody hates. However, that being said, those tiny bags of drills do tend to be pretty good quality. I think because they're bagged in smaller quantities, you do seem to get less trash. Historically, that's what I found. But I'm not going to get all of these out and show you all the colours. But you can see there, we've got a lot of white, obviously. It's the 3865 for around the edge. And then a selection of these sort of muted tone pastels. So yeah, be interesting to see how it comes together. I don't know when I'll work on it yet, but it caught my eye and I thought, I've been looking for a book painting, let's give this one a go. Price wise, it was $4.99. Yeah, happy enough with that. Did I measure this? I can't remember if I measured it. Anyway, it says 40 by 40, which means it's probably going to be, it's a 34 by 34. So it's all good. And already I can see that those creases are starting to drop out. As I said, a lot of them will be, you won't be able to see them at all once you start laying drills. And you can see already just how much smoother that sits. I do sometimes wish that maybe they take a little bit more care of packaging them so that they didn't get quite so beat up. But this is why they are budget friendly. So there we go. Yeah. We will see how it turns out. I'm going to take the risk so you guys don't have to. Okay. Next up we have, again, these boxes never come in one piece, but they do at least keep everything together. So here we've got some decorative serving trays. We've got a boat wax pen, and we get, I think it's 4 trays. Yeah, so we've got 2. They are all slightly different, but they are all sort of variations on a theme of wintry tree kind of So they've got a little hole at the end so you can hang them up if you want to use them as a display. They are a thin plywood, and then they've got the very, very sticky poured glue on them, and very clear printing where we're going to place our drills. These can then be used as little snack trays. You could just use them for display. You could use them as coasters. It's entirely up to you. They are describing them as decorative serving trays for desk or coffee table. So we've got our pre-bagged drills, which is lovely, and you can see those lovely bright colours there. So really happy with those. It is just standard drills, but that's fine. What I will say is, if you are going to use these for anything other than just decoration, do remember to seal them. Just makes them a lot easier to keep clean, and stops the diamonds from moving around under the heat of a cup. So yeah, I'm pleased with these. I cannot wait to get going with them. This was $6.99 for this set, and you're getting 4 of these, so you could easily get together with some friends, work on one each. I think there's lots of options there, and it's 1 pack of drills which are all pre-labelled for everything. So yeah, happy there. Pop those in. I'm often looking for things that you can gift, and I do sometimes wish that if the boxes came less. Yeah, see, that's okay. I think you could probably make this just about giftable if you wanted to. So there we go. Okay, next up. What is this? I don't remember. Oh, we've got special drills. We've got a boat wax pen. Oh, ooh, it's horsies. This is special shaped long haired horse diamond painting fridge magnets. So these are the little magnet stickers to go on the back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And hopefully we've got 5 horsies. You will, I'm sure, have heard me talk before about my love of horses. And these are particularly lovely. So we've got none of these are the same. Some of them are sort of similar. But yeah, I think they'll turn out okay. They are single-sided, but this side does have a protective coating on it as well. And then obviously, so peel off the protective coating, slap your magnet on there, and then they can go on your fridge or anywhere else you might like. You might want to trim down the magnets just a little bit because they're going to show otherwise, depending upon where you stick them. On that one in particular, this one is a little bit wider, so it's not a problem. But yeah, easy to, these are very thin, so they'll be easy to cut with scissors or with a craft knife. Diamonds wise, we've got a little bit of a selection. Oh, those are lovely. So we've got these gold facets. We've got these little fancy ones that look like buttons. We've got brown. We've got very pale lilac, sort of smoky quartz colour, black, orange, coppery brown colour, vibrant red, and teal green. So they are very nice indeed. Yeah, happy with those. They were only $3.99. So yeah, I think that's a nice little project for anybody to have a go at. And of course, if you didn't want to have them as magnets, you could glue a pin to the back and have them as brooches. There's several options. You could even drill a hole through and have them as keychains. Final item is a special diamond painting. It is described as a jewel Pteranodon. I would call it a dragon. just a little tiny snack size. So it's a 30 by 30 partial. So you're going to be looking at 25 probably. Let's just see if I can get this to lay a little better. Okay, so we have got 12 different shapes and colours of diamonds. And it's just this lovely dragon sitting on a pile of jewels. So this one was $2.99. Okay. We've got pink facets, orangey yellow facets, some lovely crystals, blue, these AB crystal facets, some lovely purple, blue, deeper purple, some crystal clear, gold, blue, and like a plum colour. So I think that's going to be really lovely. Probably not going to take very long, but will be a lot of fun to work on. And yeah, I don't know when I'll get around to it. It'll, again, being a small little snack size, I tend to like to work on them in between other projects. But yeah, this is really nice indeed. And you can see there's going to be lots of sparkly detail in it when it's finished. I think it's great. And yeah, $2.99. More than happy to pay that and, you know, get an evening's entertainment out of it. So that is all of my little Fansel finds. If you want to check them out, please do so. You can use my code WITCH and get yourself a little discount as well. So please go and do that. Always check out my codes. They're always down in the description for every video, so that you can save yourself a little bit of money whenever you are shopping for nice things too. So let me know down in the comments, as always, what is your favourite thing out of my finds from today. I look forward to reading which was your favourite. Thank you very much for watching. Please do all those YouTubey things. Leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, consider becoming a member of the Crafty Coven. And until next time, stay crafty!